I think it's time for a pop quiz. Amjed, if I had £100 and I gave Stuart half of it and then I gave you a quarter of the remainder, how much money would I have?
25 quid.
£25? It's quite money.
Negative. I'll say it again.
If you had £100
£100 and I gave half of it to Stuart and then of the remainder I gave a quarter of it to you.
Half of it to Stuart, which is £50, right? And then the remainder, a quarter, which is, how much would you, right, wait there, if you gave me the remainder,
a quarter of the remainder.
Quarter of the remainder.
£12.50!
Right, you got me.
So how much money would I have?
£12.50.
No. I gave you a quarter, how much money would I have?
Oh, you gave me, oh, you would have in my pocket,
£37.50. A bit of background. A couple of days ago, we had a wee parking incident. It was nobody's fault. It's one of these things that happens. Just slight misjudgment. Come with me. So, it caused a slight rub on Andy's car, a wee bit of crack in the paint there. So
is that it?
That's it. That's the. So
that's what happened.
Yeah.
A fox ran out in front of you.
Yeah, absolutely. Fox ran in front of me. There was some weather conditions. Yeah, unavoidable. That has some gear selection issues as well. It's one of these things. No one's fault. These things happen. So,
would it be true to say that after you had that incident, you just left your car parked in Amjed's door?
Well, again, I don't want to disturb the situation. You know, when there's ever an incident, if there's a successful investigation, you like to leave the scene as it was before. So in the interest of sanitising the environment, I thought best to leave it as is. We'll just pick things up in the morning. Amjed will understand, obviously. So that's what I did.
So then what happened?
Well, what happened was we brought it up the next day. Obviously, I was full of sorrow. One of these things couldn't be helped, but Amjed didn't quite see it like that. So what he did was, he just fucking kept my windminger off.
Was it just the one wing?
No, it wasn't just the one.
It wasn't just the one?
No.
Both wing mirrors?
He went metal spec, got them both. So they're both done.
So do you have a plan for some retaliation?
No retaliation at all. I simply need to fit a couple of wing mirrors back to the car. Retaliation is an ugly word, so what I'm going to do is...
This not retaliation?
This isn't really... This is like, if I scratch you in the leg, this would be like shooting my family, I think. That's what's happening here. So, what I need to do is get a couple of wing mirrors, obviously, to fix this situation, and then we'll say no more about it.
Is there any wing mirrors kicking about?
There is. I have two in stock. Come with me.
Show me where they are.
Here's one.
Oh, that one would be...
Yeah, this one will do. This one will do.
It looks...
just like it. Pretty much so, yeah.
Colour match.
I had it in stock as well. So
in stock's ideal.
That's one there, and there's actually a matching one for the other side around here.
Oh, that's convenient.
Yeah, so luckily I had both of them in stock. No damage, no concern to anyone. I'll just quickly fit them and we'll say no more about it.
Good stuff.
So, here's my stock wing mirrors here. There's a wee button here, which I've undone, so that's good, but they're still pretty well fixed in here.
Yeah, that's still quite attached.
So I'm going to have to make a minor adjustment to the other side.
Okay.
So I've got these.
The persuader?
Yeah, the adjuster. Just to see.
Good adjustment.
Yeah, just leveraging.
It's really good adjustment.
Yeah.
Give me the light, I'll hold it for you.
Yeah, that sounds smashing, thanks for that. Oh, I think it's more of an adhesive.
Oh, that's not leaving a mark on the door at all.
That's fine.
Gently, gently.
Yeah. Softly,
Measure twice. Cut 14 times.
Yeah. So
it's quite almost off.
Hope you short everything out now.
it's true.
We clear?
I think so. Just a wee bit. There we are. It's a nice unit. Lovely. So let's find a placement for this bad boy.
I think you should have Japan style ones. Like
Yeah,
you're,
I think-
like you're in an old school JDM thing.
I think.
Oh yeah, that's
I think here is going to be my. So we've got.
What's going on down here?
Well, Ren's making it really hard when it doesn't need to be.
Yeah, so you're just putting a really long wood screw in.
Yeah. screws.
Factory.
That's nice.
How much do you think Amjed enjoys it?
He's going to be delighted.
He was check this fan out with his mirrors, and then you got him out here, and he was like, wait. Standing my ground. What's all this about? What's happening? You fucking. Fucking cheers, eh? You have officially declared full-on what? Fucking hell, man. Fucking windscreen! Standing my ground. Don't worry, big man, we'll settle it on the track like men.
That's a lovely job, well done I think. So we've increased safety in the vehicle here, retained the OEM mirrors, and we've also got the extra mirrors in here for clearance in the corners, and that's going to, and again there's Kyle, again standard behaviour. Kyle's taking the bath for himself. Can you imagine if you were to subscribe to Patreon? There's a range of levels. If you want to be in it for the lols, it's only $1 a month. If you want to be in it and be beside me as I collect the wood screws that have obviously remounted this, then you can pay a little bit more and get involved in some of that. If you want Amjed to have new wing mirrors for his Gets, for his Jazz for example, that's what this money's going to go toward. Patreon.com/Driftland. Jigsaw is going to put a little picture of URL here. A little clickable thing is going to be up here.
I'll try.
So you've got to do something here and here at the same time.
That's,
no,
that's advanced YouTubing, mate.
It's tricky.
Advanced YouTube.
But yes, more to come. We gave Stuart his own computer to use in the garage. Now you know Stuart is quite old, so he's not that good with computers, and you can see I've left Stuart to use the computer by himself, and he's trying to install Internet Explorer.
No, that is because you plugged the dongle back in. Hey, mate, I am a fucking Luddite.